In this house, like, we don't count calories. We count memories. Tonight's recipe starts simple. Thick-cut bacon in a hot pan. That slow sizzle. That smell that fills the whole kitchen. Add sliced potatoes. Just salt, black pepper, and sweet paprika. Nothing fancy, just honest flavor. Then comes the pork chop, seared until golden brown, crispy edges, juicy center. The kind of sound that makes you hungry instantly. Layer it all together. Bacon, potatoes, pork. 6 eggs poured gently over the top. And a generous handful of cheese, that's because at Food House we don't hold back. When it comes out of the oven, golden, bubbling, crispy on top, tender inside. Fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, herbs, a splash of lemon, rich, balanced, unforgettable. This is Food House. Simple food, big flavor, real comfort.